Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you and welcome to building rapid e-learning using Articulate Rise 360. In this fourth explainer in the series, I'll add a Rise process block to the existing content introducing generative AI. The process block is an easy way to include step-by-step guidance inside your existing microlearning. If you'd like to practice using our content, see the website. Let's get started. Click on All Blocks, go to the Interactive category and select Process. By default, this process block includes one introductory slide, 2 steps including options to add an image and text, and a concluding summary slide with a button for the user to start again. This process block is edited in a similar way to a PowerPoint slideshow. Click on the pencil icon. I'll start by editing the introduction slide title and the intro text. For step 1, I'll again edit the title and add my instructional text. I'll replace the default image with a screenshot for this step. As always, remember to preview the content regularly to ensure it looks as you expect. Notice the user can click or tap on the included image to view it larger on their screen. A nice touch. Next, I'll edit step 2 in the sequence in exactly the same way. My process is going to have a total of 6 steps, so I'll need to use the Add Step button at the bottom left to create additional steps as I go along. I'll add the remainder of my steps in super quick time right now. Finally, I'm going to edit the included summary slide to wrap up the step-by-step process. Okay, let's walk through the process as the user is going to see it. In the next explainer, I'll add a short quiz to my microlearning using the built-in knowledge check blocks. Before continuing, take a moment to review the other interactive blocks available in Rise 360. For example, you can include images with labelled hotspots and full interactive scenarios with branching options. For more information, see the website.
Pixels.cool.